listen. Okay, then some boiled chicken with egg crumble, scrambled here, fried egg. So what? It's a vegetable. It's a very healthy. No. Okay. Everyone. No problem. Don't take it. Okay. No, there is optional.
You use your mayonnaise also.
Yeah, mayonnaise with and tomato sauce. Okay. And there is also carrot. Yeah. Okay. Then. Oh, sorry. I will keep here. Then I will take another part of the bread and spread the mayonnaise. It's done. Now here is the knife. I will cut this bread to it's triangles.
Wow, this is so
Wow.
cool.
Clap. All of you clap. Wow. Happy?
Easy making. Okay.
This is so cool.
Ready? Who wants to make first? First, Abida is here. Abida will make first one sandwich.
Mayonnaise? Really? Oh, fine.
It is a chili flakes.
Okay.
Chili
Take
flakes?
Another part
Chili flakes is what
here. This one.
Oh no, it's so
This
hot.
one.
So hot.
Yeah.
This is going
Mayonnaise
on.
is so hot.
Oh, yummy.
This is gonna be yummy.
Okay, done. Take some chicken.
Take some chicken. Chicken is so good and so tasty.
Good. So tasty.
Yes.
Take it properly.
It's so tasty.
Okay.
Yeah, no, give me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna left. Ow. I want the chicken.
Don't touch it. Okay. Why are you talking too much, Tami, please?
Next, Tamit. No, you will make. Then, Tao. Okay. Thank you. One by one, all of you. Okay. All of you can make. Just wait. Help to your teacher.
Different time session যাবে না প্লিজ আমরা
Okay. Cover it.
Wow, very good. Yummy. Good. Clap. Yummy. Say thank you to your niece.